seconds to set up. All right, Susan, we're going to do the side load and catch. Show me what you got. Remember, you got that target there. It's about 6'2", 6'1", right to the chest. And I'm happy. That was it.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we're going to do the hip hinge. Same hip hinge form. Good morning. Yep. A little thrusting. You know your target. Continue.
Right.
Now we got to get tall when we finish the movement. Continue.
Okay.
This is all new for us. Your target's not up in the ceiling, nothing in the sky. There you go. Yep. Continue.
Okay.
Yeah. This is part of the learning process. Inhale. Big exhale. Rock star. Now you're standing tall. Give me 2 more. Stay humble. And stay tall for 1 second. Taller, taller. Right there. Give me 1 more. You did it. Time. Place it like a warrior. Awesome job. Everything feels good?
Yeah.
Nice. That was good.
That was fun.